Hi, it's Immobiliser Fi. Today we've installed the Starline i96 Pro on this Range Rover Evoque, which was stolen and luckily recovered, and the customer just wants to protect it now, make sure it doesn't happen again. So the way the system works, if a thief was to clone the key or steal the key and try and start the vehicle, it will start up, but as soon as they select a gear, the vehicle will stall. So they have to go through a push sequence to start the vehicle. So the way that's done is ignition on, pop the push sequence in. For this we've done 1, 2, 3, get your melody. There we go, start it and select your gear. So if the customer wanted to change the code in the vehicle, that's done by ignition on, disarm the system. Ignition on, disarm the system. Press any button we know that works 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off and back on, you get your 5 bleeps. So we'll change it to this button here. So wait for the confirmation. Repeat the code. Wait for confirmation. That's the code learned. If customer didn't want to put the code in every time they get in the vehicle, this can also be paired to up to 5 phones. So if they feel the need, they don't need to push the buttons all the time, they hop in with their phone connected and the vehicle will just start up straight away. No need for the push sequence. But just to show, the code's now changed. So ignition on, 1, 2, 3, get your melody, start the vehicle and select a gear. If you want to get one of these fitted on your vehicle and want it secure, give us a call. Immobiliser Fi. It's 0208 212 7393. That's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.